Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a very short review on this replacement shower head by a company called Tempesta. Now I got this from Amazon, so I'll leave a link below, but this is made in Germany and it's a very simplistic shower head that's supposed to have like anti-lime scale features built into it. So if you live in a hard water area, this is probably a good thing to go for. Now on the side it kind of says it's got two modes for like rain, spray, and it's got like a jet spray mode. And that's pretty much it. It doesn't really say much else on the back. It's got speed, clean, and whatever else. But it's pretty, simplistic. But it has some decent reviews, and I heard about people saying that this is perfect for an electric shower. Now, our shower at the moment it's a standard electric shower, and the head on the unit itself is starting to leak. It's leaking out the sides. Now, what you have to be really careful about is when you look on Amazon, you will see loads of other shower heads that have got these beads inside them that are supposed to be good for kind of cleaning the water and have got various other features on them. But what I've found in the past is when I've used those cheaper shower heads that so-called say that they can increase the water speed, is that the water from the shower itself, so the electric shower itself, can actually stop heating properly, and you think the shower's broken, but actually it's simply because the head is the wrong head for the shower. So be careful when you are replacing them, because you might find that the pressure is either too little or the water temperature goes down, and you might think your shower's broken, but it's not. It's just because the shower head needs to be the correct shower head. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unscrew the shower head and replace it with this one, and we'll see the kind of difference in power and see if it's any good or not. I'll show you what's inside the box. I'll just open it up. So I'm just opening this up, and inside the box is literally just the shower head with some very simple instructions. So it shows you how to clean it, how to attach it, and that's pretty much it. But this is what it looks like. It's kind of got this kind of rubbery feel to the main head, and you can see obviously the two modes on there. It says rain and jet, and then this part here actually turns so you can switch between. Now this side here is, I think it's plastic actually. It's hard to tell. I think it's like a plastic with just this kind of ceramic-y type style coating on it. So it's really, really simple, nothing much to it, but to be honest, if it does the job, that's all I care about. So I'm going to connect this up now. I'll show you what it looks like once it's fitted. Okay, so I have connected this up to the shower, which is really simple, simply just by unscrewing the base and screwing in the new one. And you can see the old one is just on the windowsill there. So I'm going to switch this on and see what the power's like. I'll make sure that it's in, what mode is it in at the moment? So I think, I'll try and do this one hand. So, let's have a look. So I've got it on one mode at the moment. Let's just see what that looks like. So that is in the jet mode, which is reasonably powerful. And I'll just switch it now to the other mode, which is by turning this. And that's the standard shower mode. So yeah, it's got, might be hard to see that, but it's got a reasonable spray on it. And yeah, seems to be doing the job. So yeah, again, just a very simple review, but if you're after a new replacement shower head, this seems to do the job. I'll leave a link below in the comments. If you need any questions or got any questions on this, let me know. But other than that, I'll catch you in the next video.